everyone, Jane Galena here, also known as Airplane Jane and Jungle Jim in the Training Pit and Java Pit. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the biggest hurdle that you're going to have in trading and a couple of different resources in how you can go ahead and improve that. Before I get into it though, go ahead, hit like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you guys can get awesome videos just like this one. So the biggest hurdle that you are going to have in trading is not finding those stocks. It's not the best entry. It's going to be up here. It's the trading psychology aspect of it. Why is that? Well, when you break it down, trading can be fairly simplistic. It can be fairly black and white. Hey, it goes against you, get out of the trade, you get out, you take that loser quickly. That's easy. But the hard part is going to be being able to make those decisions, being able to stick to your guns when you have a trading plan, taking those profits, not letting greed set in. And I believe if you talk to most traders that have been around for years, they will say they had to master their own emotions before they were really successful in the trades. Because you need to be patient. You need to wait for those setups, not have a fear of missing out. Most new traders will go ahead and just jump in. They're all excited. At the beginning of the day of the market, it is the most volatile time. Yes, this can be great for some trades. If you're getting out of a swing trade, you can go ahead and lock a great profit. But if you're trying to get into a trade, it can be very difficult, especially depending on what type of stock you're trading. If you're trading a Tesla or an Amazon that might have a $50 range throughout the day, and in that first 10 to 15 minutes, it goes $25 in range, and that goes against you, wow, that can be really painful. Or if you're in a low float momentum stock and you're trading and all of a sudden it goes against you and you don't cut your loser, again, oh my gosh. And if you'd only waited that 5 minutes more, maybe you could have gotten into an amazing trade with a great entry. So it does come down to the entries and the exits, but more importantly, the decisions in waiting to get in and to get out or to cut those losers quickly. So two great resources, two amazing people that I know personally. Brett Sternberger, he did the Daily Trading Coach. He is an amazing psychologist and has written a couple different books on psychology. You can see the links down below in the comments. And I also recommend Mandy Purasanjani in Australia. So read those books by Brett Sternberger if you are having difficulty with your psychology aspect of trading. And if you feel like you need a bit more of one-on-one coaching, definitely check out Mandy. Again, she's in Australia, but she works with traders around the world and will really help you to see where you are going wrong. But first, before you can even do that, you need to be journaling your trades. If you don't have any data for somebody to analyze, how are you possibly going to be able to improve, right? You need to look at what you are doing in order to improve from that. So if you are just winging it, first of all, in the trading world, without any sort of trading plan, that might also be part of it. You need to have that trading plan before you get into your trades. You need to map it out. You need to know what's going on with the stocks. And that's gonna come with time and experience. So first of all, you need to map out your trades, right? Second of all, write down your trades, journal them, put them in Profitly if you want to, or put them in a book of actual journal of what you're doing or an Excel spreadsheet. Because if you want to improve in any way, you need to go ahead and keep track of what you're doing. If you see that you're having losing trades more than 50% of the time, you're going against the odds of flipping a coin, right? If you are having 25% winners instead of 70% winners, then you need to keep that in mind and you need to say, whoa, I need to stop and I need to assess what's going on. If you need to reach out for help, there are people that are out there like Mandy that could help you and review everything and say, you know what? You just need to tweak one little thing. Maybe you need to get an extra 2 hours of sleep. You were going to bed too late, or if you went out partying the night before, then you need to not be in front of your computer. So write things down on what's going on in your life as well, so that if you had an argument with your spouse or with somebody else, or you got into a disagreement with your boss, if you're trading while still working a 9-to-5 job, put all of those things down and look at it to be able to assess why you might not be performing at your best. The psychology, again, it's you and the market. There's nobody else to hold accountable except for yourself. So keep that in mind, and don't worry, it happens to all traders. It's happened to me, it's happened to most successful traders until they learned their faults, they weren't able to improve. All right, if you guys have any questions, go ahead and email me at jane@cjanetrade.com. Carpe Profit, seize those profits one trade at a time.